It was an exciting year for technology. Growth continues to accelerate in the industry. Most recent data shows that the industry is growing twice as fast as the economy as a whole, so there's considerable amount of growth. I think that both the public and private sector have taken steps to ensure continued growth in the sector. On the public sector side, there was the VCCI initiative, which is the Venture Capital Catalyst Initiative, which the government has promised $400 million towards to help increase investment in the venture capital ecosystem. Then they also have the Supercluster initiative, which is focusing on attracting additional investment and promoting innovation in specific sectors. And then on the private sector front, venture capital firms are raising record level of funding. Access to capital, both debt and equity capital, is no longer a concern for Canadian companies. We are seeing technology companies disrupt traditional industries. We have ag tech companies that have created softwares to improve yields and are effectively disrupting the agriculture space. We have fractional commercial space real estate rentals, which are disrupting that space. So I believe that every space is ripe to be disrupted by technology, and the transition that the economy is moving in is that technology will become a greater and greater percentage of our overall GDP. So I really think that the sector is going to continue to grow. There's interest being gathered outside of the core urban areas of Vancouver, Montreal, and Toronto. I think that there's enough accelerators and incubators, and they're increasing on kind of a weekly basis to support and help grow these companies. And the companies that have made it, they're incredibly patriotic and they want to give back to the ecosystem. So that mentorship and advice is also there. We are a leader in certain sectors in technology. In artificial intelligence, we are the world leader. We have a larger concentration of artificial intelligence companies in Toronto than anywhere in the world. We have the most amount of researchers in artificial intelligence in Montreal than anywhere in the world. So there's a lot of buzz and excitement on what we can do in Canada and that we can actually be a leader in this space. Beyond that, we're seeing Canada attract the attention of multinational corporations. Google, Microsoft, Uber are all making considerable investments. So I think all of those pieces will help accelerate growth in 2019 and make it a good year for the industry.